How to make money using Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using your favorite social media, Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to instagram.com and you will get to, of course, Instagram. We love Instagram. We're using Instagram all the time, scrolling through videos and watching these photos, and we're wondering we should also make money and how we can make money using this social media. You can use your social media to make money, to make thousands of dollars. And it's not going to be, I'm not going to say that, you should become an influencer and get millions of followers and then make money. Today, I will show you different ways we can use Instagram to make money. And these ways do not include any investment. You don't need to invest hundreds to thousands of dollars. You don't need to get a lot of followers to make money. So let's start with the process. The first thing that we do, I personally have tried these method and we make money. I have seen a lot of people make hundreds to thousands of dollars using these different methods. And that's what we will be covering today. So the first way to make money using Instagram is through affiliate marketing. If you have no idea about affiliate marketing simply means that we make money whenever there is a sale and we earn maximum commission for that. And how to get started with it? Of course, you're just a person using social media. And what I want you guys to do is simply, of course, you will have a phone or a laptop. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. That's it. Now, go to digistore24.com. There are other platforms as well. For example, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. Once you get to these platforms, I want you guys to sign up. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up for free with your Google account or your email address. Signing up process will literally take 1 minute. And once you have signed up, then what you have to do is you can go to the marketplace and explore different products. What we will be doing is we will be getting a link from these platforms, an affiliate link. And we will be promoting the products that we have right here on Instagram, because Instagram has millions of users. We can use hashtags. We can create a page if we like, and we can get followers, or we can just use the hashtags. We can use different methods, comments, and to attract people towards our link that we have, to attract people towards our product. So you can explore different products. It's not that on affiliate marketing you have to deal with finance and tech. It's not like that. You can choose the product of your choice. There are different products available, and we can choose from different categories such as animals and pets, betting systems. We have dance and music, computer and internet, business and investment, email marketing, education, family and kids, fashion. So if you're into fashion, you can choose a fashion related product that will actually do pretty good on Instagram. Then we have fitness and health. A lot of people are health conscious. That's what I do. I go with fitness and health. And then we have email marketing and tech. Hobby and handcraft, home garden, internet and business, services, social media. So you can go with social media as well. So what you have to do is you will just select the niche from here. It will open up different products for you. For example, you can see this is a how you can promote your business, 90% commission. Then we have how to get millions of followers on Instagram. Then we have personal branding. Then we have secrets, millionaire secrets. So we will be earning 90%, $5 with each sale, $7 with each sale, $4 with each sale, $5 with each sale. So what we need to do now is I will just promote the product. Click on this promote now link. It will give you a link that you have to add. Now I will go to Instagram and I will create a post. I can just say I can use Canva. What I do is I get my link and then I go to canva.com. Canva is an online designing tool, again, a completely free platform that you can use. Once you get to Canva, what you can do is you can go to Instagram post right here and you will create an Instagram post. Just create an attractive post that will actually engage people. In this post, I will be saying that I have the best strategy, the best product for you guys, to a guide to get millions of followers. That's what my post will say. And in the description, I will be adding my affiliate link. This is how we simply do affiliate marketing on Instagram. And I will be making, people will click on it. Of course, people want to get followers on Instagram, right? They will check it out, they will buy it, and I will make $10 or $7 with each sale. So even let's say 100 people click on it, I will be making $700. So that's how it works with affiliate marketing, and we can just simply make money using Instagram. We can do affiliate marketing. So that's the first thing that we do, first option. Second way you can make money on Instagram is going to be selling your own merch. Now, don't worry, I'm not saying that you have to create a brand new business and you have to do promotions. If you're not that famous, of course, it's very difficult to launch your own merch that people will actually buy. So what I want you guys to do is, and finding the right platform, that's also a thing. Go to teespring.com, an online platform where you can create your own print on demand business. So what we do here again is, now keep in mind, creating a business on Instagram is different, and then promoting your merch is different thing. I'm not asking you to create a business from the scratch on Instagram. You can do that. You can create a page and then you can create a business on Instagram. That is the way to make money, of course. But we're not talking about the basic ways. We're talking about different ways to make money, like easy ways without any investment. When you create a business on Instagram, you will need an investment. But here, what I'm asking you to do is go to teespring.com. It's an online platform which is completely free. You don't need to invest anything. What we do on Teespring is that I also have an account on Teespring. So we just design product on Teespring, and then Teespring creates the product for us. Teespring, you don't have to take care of the manufacturing of the shipment. Teespring ships your product for you. They create the product, they do everything, and you earn your profit. All you have to give Teespring is cool designs, and they just keep the manufacturing cost and you earn your profit. So what we do is, you can select any of these different, you can create hoodies, stickers, cups, mugs, hats, whatever you want to. So just select a tee, and then what we do is we add designs. Again, you can use canva.com to create designs, right? Or you can get designs from Google. Create designs on your shirts right here. You have created a shirt, you will create your online store. You will get your online store right here on Teespring for free. Like I have Sway Closet. We have our own product now. I will get my product link and add it to my Instagram and show people that, okay, look at this cool design. And what we do is we get inspiration from Instagram, different products that people are actually looking for. And we give them what they wanted. And we say that these are the different products that I have, very cool designs that people are always looking for, trendy things on Instagram. So I can create a product right here on Teespring, promote the product on Instagram, and Instagram will help me make money. For example, if I set the price of $30 right here for my shirt, let's say I set the price for $50 of my shirt right here on Teespring, Teespring will keep $30 or maybe $29, and I will be making $20 for free without any investment. And they will ship my product, they will create the product, the quality is really good, don't worry. And you can see the base cost for this one is $17. So Teespring will take $17 for this premium tee, and then I can just set the price and make my profit. So Instagram will help me make the maximum profit that I want, and it will help me create an online business right here, and it will help me get the audience and make money. And then, of course, we have other ways such as creating your own Instagram business, becoming an influencer. You get free products as well. Then we have Instagram ads. You can make money with that. There are paid collaborations that you can do. There are paid posts that you can do on your Instagram account and make money. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money on Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.